have you ever felt or experienced burnout?
I'm Divya, the lead designer at Purple Forest.
And I'm Alekia. I'm the content head at Purple Forest.
Because it's like appraisal season. I'll start by saying that when I was in my 9 to 5 job, I definitely experienced burnout.
So, why do you think burnout happens?
A, there is need for external validation and not your own internal ones. Second is because there are multiple stakeholders always telling you what is expected of you or, what you're being told. You, at the end of the day, have no clarity on what you actually want to do. And I think third is you don't realize it because a lot of times it's an invisible load. How would you draw the parallels between the concepts of motivation and discipline?
The definition of discipline sort of has become very hustle, 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 without really thinking about anything beyond the way you give orders, the way you rationalize what you're doing, the way you treat your body at the end of the day. So, have you ever used affirmations?
Saying positive statements simply without understanding the words is not enough. So, yeah, I think in my experience, that's what greatly helped me gain back my self-worth. I was able to focus better. I was able to trust myself more. So I think, I would say I would recommend everybody to do it.
Is there any other tools that you used in this time?
I think journaling was one of the best tools I have come across personally, right? It was like my time of the day where I was able to just brain dump, literally brain dump.
Meditation is the most woo part of this whole conversation, I suppose, and understanding why it actually works, because yeah, sure, it works, we all know that, but what is it actually doing within you?
Cortisol spike is one of the biggest modern day, devils or whatever you call it for women, right? Everybody is talking right now about how do you control your cortisol spike in the morning. It's very simple. You close your eyes, you breathe.
I think the simplest thing to start off with is meditation, frankly.
Spend some time doing nothing and accept that your life is the way that you want it to be. The day you accept that, you will take that first step towards making a change. This was a great chat, as per usual. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you next time.